Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can use one of the most important features that Signit offers, which is to create different teams that could collaborate between each other and share different documents within the Signit organization. Beginning with going to settings from the sidebar right here, and then clicking on the organization settings. So after adding all of our users, we can go to teams and then start adding teams that are going to work within the organization. Let's say, for example, we're going to add the sales team and then click on create. Now the team has been created. All we need to do is to add the members to it by clicking on view team, click on add member, and then select the member from your organization that you want to join this team. Let's say, for example, Amal. And now this team member has successfully joined the organization, and now they can share different documents together and collaborate on different signature requests.